So, update on the mask. I made this one for someone who's caring for a patient. They were required to have white if they were going to get their own mask made. And this also has the olefin, which is the same fabric. This blue is the same fabric that they use in the medical grade mask. I'm not saying that this is medical grade. Don't go and say that to anyone. This is a pocket where you can add additional protection to it if you feel the need to. However, the olefin, it repels moisture. So if I spray water on this, it rolls right off, thereby helping to protect you so it wouldn't be able to penetrate here and get to you over here. So I'm just saying, not a medical grade mask, but it will protect you to some degree. So if you have a need for a mask, get in touch with me, tuttress@yahoo.com. That's TUTRESS @yahoo.com. And I'll be happy to assist you in getting a couple of these. They've been going like 2 by 2, which makes sense. You have one on and one off. So when you wear one, you go ahead and you wash it and hang it out to dry. You don't put it in the dryer. Wash it, hang it out to dry. In my experience, I have a few of them I made myself, and I washed them and they dried overnight. I washed them like 6 in the afternoon and put them to hang right in the house. I didn't even put them outside or anything, and they dried overnight. So yeah, wash and hang to dry, and then you if you're not using it, store it in the plastic bag that is resealable, that it actually comes in when I hand it to you. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I am trying to grow my my base as everyone else does. Information will be in the comments below, and yeah, let me know if you're in need of a mask. I have them in prints, I have them in solids. Just get in touch with me. Thank you, and stay safe. Remember to wash your hands, don't touch your face, and stay at home if you don't have to be outside. All right, have a great one. See you in the next video.